Hey everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a Walmart beauty box. So for those of you that know, I've been doing these for a little bit, but for those of you that might not know, these Walmart beauty boxes are $5. You have to go to walmart.com. I think it might be /beauty or something. I don't know. Just once you get in there, just search for it, and that's the way I found it. And it is $5 to ship it. I don't know how frequently they do it. It seems like it's quarterly. I never seem to remember. But you get sample size, mostly, of stuff. And it's always something different. And this is the woman's beauty box. And they have a man's beauty box too. But I haven't been able to get that one yet. Because once they're full, they're full. And this says, celebrate your beauty. Your beauty is a gift to the world. So once they're full, they're full. They won't take more, but once you're in, you're in. So that's kind of nice. Rate and review this winter's products at walmart.com, and you can enter to win a $100 gift card. And then there's cute packaging. I mean, I love the box. I think it's just cute. Oh goodness, so I got a full-size fingernail polish. This is really cute. That'll be nice for this spring. It's called Old Maid. Fun. I like that. I have something on my fingernail. Looking at my fingers. That's really pretty. And then I still have this one that I got from my friend Pat. I guess they don't go together, but I think my daughter would really like this one too. And then this one is volumizing dry shampoo. Now, I do not particularly care for dry shampoo, but Katie does, so I will definitely send her that. And this one is hydrating cream, radiance renewal, coconut oil, cocoa butter, African shake butter, exfoliates and nourishes visibly dry skin. I might try that. Ooh, and these are cool. Little plackers, micro mint, freshens breath. You get 12 dental flosses, fold away protective pick, unique handle design, and I love these things. I've never seen the ones with the fold away protected pick though. I'm going to go ahead and open it. Let's see. And it says engineered not to stretch or break, and to make the bag or the packaging impossible to open. My goodness. So this is very nice. So they used to have the little pick just on the bottom, but this is a better design, and then so you can fold it and then use the pick. Ooh, that's nice. I like, and I like the little case. It's perfect for travel. Love it. And this is Donkey Milk Sleeping Mask. Wow. And it's an overnight mask. Restore skin while sleeping. Nutrient-rich white gold, known commonly as donkey milk, soothes and restores skin healthy and vitality while sleeping. Restores skin health and vitality while sleeping. How about that? Use as your final skincare step at night on cleansed skin. Apply generously to face and neck. Gentle enough to be used every night. Can be used alone or after serum or moisturizer. Rinse off with water the next morning. Huh, that's interesting. I've never had an overnight mask. And then the P2 Cosmetics, there's just an advertisement for that. And the plackers, there is a coupon for 35 cents off, and it's good through December. Gosh, and they have a 75 pack and a 150 pack. And this is good for any 35 pack or bigger, and this one is a 12 pack, so that's cool. You could get a bigger one and then just refill this as you need, but super cool. I'm excited. Pretty good box. It always is. I really do enjoy these boxes, and for $5 it says you're paying for shipping and handling, which, okay, that's fine with me. And like I said, I even enjoy the boxes. I used them even at Christmas time. I would just cover up this, and it's just a nice little box. So let me just put that there. I'll show you guys what I got. Some dry shampoo that I know I won't use, but it's still very nice, and some nail polish. So there we go. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.